Hello everyone, today I want to introduce a camera that's a little different from your usual dash cam. This is a dash cam that not only enhances your driving safety and convenience but also doubles as a regular camera. Let me show you all the incredible features of this camera has to offer. This is not your typical dash cam that only records the front and the rear. This is a 360 camera capable of capturing everything around your car in stunning 5.2K ultra high definition. With the dual 210-degree lenses and the cutting-edge image processing technology, this dashcam ensures that no blind spots are left uncovered. The Vantrue E360 takes the dashcam to the whole new level. Its panoramic view mode captures the surroundings. Do you know how useful that is? For example, if someone scratches your car in a parking lot or just a hit from the side, you can clearly see the entire events unfold. It's not just for the safety either, it's also great for the recording memorable moments from the road trip in the unique panoramic format. Another standout feature is its Starvis 2 sensor combined with HDR technology, which enhances its performance in low light condition. Even on dark roads, the camera captures clear footage of a license plate and the surrounding details. Plus, the 8 IR lights ensures that the interior of your car is also well lit and visible. Even in complete darkness, it's more than just safety feature, it's game changer. Wi-Fi and GPS are essential features for the modern dashcam, and the Vantrue E360 excels in this area as well. It supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which allows you up to 4 times faster downloads compared to the other devices. With a dedicated Vantrue app that you can easily review and save and share your video anytime. Additionally, the dual GPS system accurately logs your location and speed, providing invaluable evidence for insurance claim or disputes. And also, one of my favorite features is a 24/7 buffered parking mode. If motion is detected near your car, the camera automatically starts recording, even capturing the 10 seconds before the events occur. This ensures you never miss a critical moment. Whether it is a hit and run or the attempted break-in, this dashcam acts as reliable guardians day and night. Controlling a dashcam while driving can be tricky, but the Vantrue E360 simplifies everything with voice commands. You can say things like take a photo or start recording, and it will follow your instruction instantly. It also features touchscreen interface, which is intuitive and easy to use for adjusting settings or switching camera views with just a swipe. The installation is straightforward and it's easy angle adjustment. The screen automatically turns off during the driving to minimize distraction, making a thoughtful adding to your car. The Vantrue E360 dashcam redefines what a dashcam can do. Its 360 panoramic view, outstanding night performances, and the smart features make it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car safety and the convenience. And while we all hope the accident never happens, but having a dashcam like this ensures you're prepared and protected when it matters most. If you have any question you want to know more, please leave the comments down below, and also I will include those links in the comment section and description as well. And thank you for watching this video. Then I will see you in the next video. Thank you.